am at Bob's Red Mill, and I wasn't planning on doing a video, but just walking around, I've been seeing so many cute things that I thought I should just bring you guys along. So here we go. I don't have anything big on my list, just a few things for the kids, but it's just fun to look around. If you haven't been to the big Bob's Red Mill, this is like the headquarters, like the store. They have a plant where they, do all the processing and stuff, but this is the store that was the original Red Mill. So let's go shopping. You guys know how much I love tiny things, and they have all these little tiny things. They're so cute. Little spoons, little cake spreader things. But look at these. Oh my goodness. They are so adorable. Why do I like tiny things so much? I'm gonna have to get this. It's just the cutest thing. I have so many of these spatulas I use all the time. These, I have one pair of these. I'm tempted to buy this because I want another one of these, but I don't need more of the other things. Ooh, I love these scoops. So of course they have all of their products here for sale in the regular bags like you'd find at the grocery store. You can also get a discount by buying a whole box, and then they have like big bags of some things that you can get even more of a discount. And then they also have the big bulk section where you can get some really good deals. Autumn requested buckwheat cereal, which she loves. I think I'll go ahead and just get a box of that. And then I also got some cassava flour for the kids baking, and then I got one of these for them to try, see if they like the pancakes and waffle mix. Oh, these are like reusable paper towels. Look at that. That is so funny. Ooh, Earth Day. Oh, that's cute. Ooh, I love the blueberries. This is so cute for cornbread. I love these cups. Look at these mixing bowls. Those are so pretty. Garlic, olive oil, basil olive oil. Ooh, these are so pretty too. Oh, I love those. Look at that. Oh, I like that one. Love that blue. Oh my goodness. I'm just a sucker for tiny things. Look at how beautiful these are. Oh, those are so cute. And this is another set. I love these. They're so cute. I have like an ovally one that I use as a butter dish. They're so adorable. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. For your pies. Sweetie pie. Look at that. They just have the best stuff. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna say the word cute and pretty 1,000 times in this video. For sure. Meals and memories are made here. Ooh, I like this one. Look at that. The blackberries on it. These dish towels, I love them. More cute bowls. Lots more of their mixes and flours. So there's the giant bags down there of some things. Pancake mix. That's the cassava flour I got for the kids. Ooh, look at all the lemons. Oh my goodness. Measuring cups. Ooh, this is cute. Lots of oats and oatmeal cups and their bars. They do have a restaurant here also, and you can eat upstairs. Fuel your awesomeness. Protein powders. Oh, popped sorghum with coconut oil. That's interesting. Oh my goodness. That's adorable. Look at that. I like that. That's cute too. More lemon stuff. More adorable bowls. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, more little tiny cups. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is amazing. Ooh, I like those too. Those are so pretty. Look at that one. Man, they have such an incredible collection of this kind of thing. It's amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's tight. That is adorable. More bee stuff. Aww. Ooh, these are pretty too. Little bees. So over here is the bulk section. All kinds of nuts and dried fruit. All of the flours and all of the oats, beans, almond meal, almond flour, the fine ground almond flour, all kinds of nuts, lentils and beans, tapioca pearls, sesame seeds, chia seeds, all kinds of goodies and treats, different cookbooks. Oh, bulk tea. Look at those teapots. Those are cool. Tea infuser. So cute. Yeah. I love that scoop. I'll show you when we go outside, but there's the mill or the water wheel or whatever you want to call it through the window. Ooh, these are cute. I love those. I have some jars similar to this, with a different pattern on my above my coffee area. And then they also have the bulk seasoning area, all kinds of different things. Organic everything but the bagel seasoning. Let's see, do I need any spices at the moment? I don't think I do. I don't think I do. All kinds of tea. I've never seen this brand before. Wild Coast Brew loose leaf tea. Myrtle Point, Oregon. These are awesome. There. That's pretty. Protector. Those look like elderberries. Let's see. Stinging nettle, black tea, elderberries, echinacea thyme. That looks nice. I like that wolf and the baby. Over there they have more of the big bulk bags that you can get. They have a cookbook, different cookbooks. Whipped honey with cinnamon, that sounds amazing. Sunflower honey, whipped honey with chocolate. I might get this for Renee to try. She loves honey. That's one of her favorite things ever. And this has the 3 flavors. Those look really good. Oh, but there's the lemon. Those look really good. Oh, pumpkin spice. 'Tis the season. Pumpkin spice whipped honey. What? Hopefully soon we'll be able to get our own honey and honeycomb like this. That'll be so exciting. Probably not for another year though. All right, I think I got everything that I needed or wanted. So I'm gonna check out and then I will head outside and show you like the outside of the building and the water wheel. But you can see the restaurant, or the seating area at least for the restaurant, is all the way around, I think almost the whole building up there. It's pretty cool. I'll show you my haul here real quick before I put it in the car. Of course I have my adorable kitchen utensils. I got Renee 3 of the whipped honeys to try. Chocolate and cinnamon. It was a toss up between the cinnamon and the pumpkin spice. I didn't think I'd need both, and I thought she'd be more inclined to think that she likes the cinnamon than the pumpkin spice, because pumpkin spice has things in it she doesn't know, and she doesn't know she likes it yet. And then I got the lemon. That one looked really good. I got these cute little bowls to put on my windowsill in the kitchen. Love them so much. They were doing a special thing where you can get a free instant oatmeal with the purchase, so I could get plain or brown sugar and maple, and I know the kids would like brown sugar and maple, so got these. We'll probably actually take these to the beach house when we go for a easy breakfast for the kids. That'll be nice. Got some oat groats. These are only for treats for the goats. We're still trying to get them to love us and come to us whenever we call, so having a few treats like this is good. It's not the kind of thing that they base their diet on, of course, but having a little bit of treats is helpful in training, so I got that. Then I got the box of buckwheat cereal. I think it has 4 bags in there, but Autumn loves this as a replacement for oatmeal, so I got that to stock up on. Then this is 4 big bags of the cassava flour for the kids to use in some of their baking, making pancakes and stuff. And then I also just grabbed this one just to see if they liked it. I love things that they can make themselves, and so like with the mini dash waffle maker, Charity, who's 9, she can just whip up herself some pancakes or waffles, and I love that she's able to do that herself. So we're just gonna try this to see if they like it. It's mostly almond flour and arrowroot and a little bit of other stuff, coconut flour. So definitely not keto, but gluten-free, grain-free, and we'll see if they like it. Thank you. So here's a view of the building, the original Bob's Red Mill, and now it's just turned into store and restaurant, and they have their like production area just down the road, and you can do tours and stuff there. But this is just more of a commercial place now. But we'll go look at the water wheel real quick. There's Mr. Bob, and there's another statue of him, a colored statue of him inside as well, right by the downstairs seating area. It's kind of fun. But last I heard, he still comes around and says hi to people in the store every once in a while, and he always wears his classic outfit with his hat and everything, so that's kind of fun. He's a national treasure. So I guess I will leave the video here. Thanks for hanging out and shopping with me today and seeing all the goodies here at Bob's Red Mill. Hope you guys are doing great, and I'll see you again in the next video.